Hello guys, another video from my car. As almost every Saturday, I'm still with my shaky voice, recovering from flu, but I want to talk to you guys again about happiness this time. And let me start from my own example and I will get to advice to you guys. So what I've noticed recently is that I don't celebrate enough, I don't appreciate enough the Laravel Daily itself. So over 8 years, I've achieved quite a significant level of success. I would say I can survive on that. I have a team helping me. I covered pretty much all the topics about Laravel, the most important ones. I have a huge audience. But day to day, I still feel like running towards something else. So I started a Python channel with moderate success, to be honest, so I'm not sure if I will continue that in the future. Then I experimented with Filament and I will continue that from time to time. I come up with more ideas about Laravel and I constantly get myself into a rut of doing something more. And thinking about it philosophically, we are used to doing something all the time. So similarly, how we're used to scroll Twitter or Facebook or social media or YouTube or whatever, it's kind of in the same way that we are scrolling our life. So in modern fast-paced life, we became kind of addicted to action. And if there is no action, if there's nothing that we have to do or be somewhere or task to accomplish, we come up with something. Because it's easier to come up with something to do than do nothing, just sit down and take a minute to think. And by think in this case, I mean appreciation and gratitude for what you have accomplished already. I don't think we spend enough time and energy on that, and I'm the first example of that. Now switching gears to you guys, I want you to appreciate and be grateful for what you have achieved already. Doesn't matter where in your career you are. If you are a senior developer, look back 5 years, how much you have accomplished. If you are a startup founder and you are still in business, not bankrupt, congratulations, you're doing great. If you are just in the beginning of your career as a junior developer or intern or your first projects, still go back in time a few years back. Probably you didn't know how to code or your knowledge was minimal, and now you're doing something, earning some money from that. And even if you're not earning money from development and coding, just appreciate and be happy about the amount that you learned the information. Again, you didn't know how to code, now you know something. So be proud of that, be happy about your achievements. From time to time, schedule some time to do just that. So if you just finished a task, don't run immediately to the next one. Even if there's pressure from colleagues or managers or just social pressure to do something and then put it out on Twitter, doesn't matter. Take some time, take a minute for yourself to celebrate bigger or smaller accomplishments. These days in 2024, it's cool and sexy to be a developer, so let's celebrate that. Altogether, we're creating kind of a totally new world which didn't exist just a few decades ago. That's it. That's all optimistic thought for today, and see you guys in other videos.